Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a recipe I actually found in a magazine, and it's a Jimmy Dean recipe on how to make sausage quiche. So I started out with my Jimmy Dean pork sausage, and I'm gonna cook that and crumble it up really well. And once it's done cooking, I removed it to a plate that was lined with paper towels to get some of that excess grease off of it. In the meantime, you can preheat your oven to 400 degrees. I greased my pan and I put the sausage in there, and I did spread it out to make it as even as possible. And then we're going to layer it with some other ingredients. So I'm going to add green onions. The recipe calls for 4 of them. I might have used more, I don't know. I love green onions, so I normally add more than what it says. And then you add a cup of cheddar cheese. And as always, the full directions, ingredients, amounts, everything's in the description below the video. And then I let that sit aside, and I took 4 eggs, and I'm going to whisk that together with 2 cups of half and half. I did use half and half, but it says you can use milk if you don't have that. So I whisked those 2 together. And then I'm going to add in a cup of all-purpose baking mix. And when I first saw that, I'm like, what the heck is that? And I felt so stupid. I called my mom because she cooks way more than I do. And she's like, it's bisquick, Jamie. I didn't know that. And sure enough, yeah, it says that on a bisquick box. Yep, didn't know. So I mixed that together until there wasn't any lumps. And then you can spread it evenly over the top. As you can see, the sausage and everything else doesn't really move, which is why I tried to layer it evenly. And I baked that for about 50 minutes in the oven till it's nice and golden brown on top, and the baking mix makes it puff up a little bit. And this was really good, and the kids actually ate it, which is always a plus. So that is my recipe for this week. If you like these kind of videos, then please subscribe. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.